Look at the road flare. This is the greatest party ever for the road flare. Oh wait, what's this?
This
is your new invention of death?
is an Xbox. Excuse me.
Hey.
Film a video here.
Jesus.
Xbox on top of a Nintendo.
We're gonna send
motor
it to...
inside of it.
Oh. We're gonna send it to be with Jesus.
Yes.
You know what? I am going back here though.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, you guys ready?
Tyler, come here. I need a shield.
Why?
Because I need a shield?
Fuck that.
Ready? Be careful.
I'm gonna light this bitch and run like hell. I'm not gonna be responsible.
I'm actually gonna get a little bit further back.
Yeah. You lit it. Oh my God. Oh God.
Oh! It's on fire! Marty, he's on fire! Alright.
Let's see what happens. I hit the light button. Hit the light button on
Keep going, I got my light off.
Oh God. Give me light. You got your light? Oh. Was that hole already there?
Some of it. Fabulous.
What's on the bottom of the Xbox?
Oh, good idea.
Burn.
Scorch marks.
This is pretty good though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so Nintendo and Microsoft make mortar-resistant explosives. Or systems. Okay. I'll take it.